Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Royal O. Call these flat tops, but it's got a broken drawband, no tension, busted right in half right here. And I don't remember doing a video on these Royals, so let's see the remainder over here. We're just going to do this real quick. I got some new drawband string, so I will try it out on this machine. So let's take off the old one to start with. It's just hooked in right over here, just with a loop type of connection. Well, it looks like it's been looped over a couple times, like somebody did do something here besides normal. Looks like it's looped over three times here. What the heck's going on here? Huh. Yeah, somebody, it's not normal here, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna make it right. Look at that, it had like 4 loops around that piece there, so, but we'll get the general idea. We'll be able to get the length off this pretty easy because we got the old piece. Alright, let's see if we can take it off this piece and wind the mainspring at the same time. So what I'm going to do here, there's the old remainder piece, and it's in this little hole. I pretty much got to wind the mainspring to get the spring compressed. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to get some tools here ready because I want to be able to jam the drawband here when I wind it. So I'm going to wind it as if I'm tightening it here. There's 1 turn. There's 2 turns. I'm going to try to get 5 turns out of this. If I can do it without slipping. 3 turns. It's starting to get tough. 4 turns. Let's see if I can get 5 out of this thing. If I can get 5, I can get 6. Okay, I got 5. Let's do 6. That's a lot of tension. So what I'm going to do is remove the old one. Should come out of there. It doesn't seem to want to. I'm going to stick something in the hole there so I can relax my finger. Like that, right? Like that. Okay, so now it's wedged. Let's see if I can get this string out of here. It's pretty tight. Oops. Good thing I had my finger on that thing. It would have flown like a banshee. Well, there's the string. Didn't want to really come out like I was thinking it would. Okay, let's wedge something in here real quick. Okay, so that's going to hold that while we make a new band here. So here's this, and here's this stuff is probably a little thicker. I've got a lot of different drawband material, but I'm going to try this hemp cord, they call it. This stuff's hemp cord. It looks pretty good. It's super strong. I could not break this. So we're just going to emulate this. We're going to make a loop here on this side like that. Do it just like, just make a little knot type of thing with a big loop. See if I can get this. Something like that. Alright, pull it tight. Looks good. Cut off the excess here. Okay, so there's the one side. That's kind of a big loop, but this probably doesn't matter. Alright, let's see. I'm going to pull this back a little bit. And we'll be able to get the length here. We'll just go off the old one, which I think seems kind of long, actually. I'll look at the typewriter up here and just measure it. So, ties in over there, about that long. And we got to tie a knot, so I'm going to give a few extra inches here so I can tie a knot in here real quick. See if we can get a string made. That's pretty good. Looking at this, I'm thinking maybe I should have tied that knot afterwards. I want to stick that through. I think this will still work. I'm going to try 2 knots. I was thinking 1 knot might do it. But I think we'll put 2 in here. Pull this tight with a tool up here, I think. Okay. There we go, nice and tight. Cut off some of the excess. Alright, let's try putting it in here and see if I can get it to fit. Direct some more light over here. Seems kind of dark from my point of view, but alright, so let's hold this. See if we can get this string in here without losing grip on this. There's some way else to hold this. I'll have to use that slot, but I don't see it. So let's just try to run the string through here. I'm going to wind the spring one more time and compress that inner spring a little more. Yeah, see, it opened up the gap there just a little more. You cannot tell from camera, I'm sure, but it's just a little bigger. I want to pull it through that little hole right there. Get that knot inside the drawband case. And that's it. It's in there. Okay, so there she is. Oh, almost slipped on me. So there it is right there. Under tension. Looking good. I'm going to pull it back out and put my little tool in here to wedge it in place. See if I can get this to fit in here. Just like that. Don't need this to slip now. So feels like it wants to slip out of place. Okay, that's better. So now we're going to pull through that string. I'm going to use my handy dandy retractable spring hook here. I'd love to show off. I've had this thing for so long. I must have made this tool 40 years ago out of a little transistor radio antenna. I'm going to stick this through. There it is right there. I want to hook the this to it. I'm going to pull it right on through. Just like that. Manipulate a little bit. It's got to get by some mechanisms in there. Pull it all the way through. There we go. Oh! The drawband slipped. But didn't go all the way. Thank God. Okay, that's in there now. Let's turn this around. We should be lined up pretty much under here for a connection to the post right there. So we're just gonna connect it up just like that. Tight, there we go. This loop is probably a little bigger than it needed to be, but there's no harm in that. Alright, let's load this. We already got the spring loaded. Let's release this tension. So here's our string. It's just about the right length. I'm going to pull my retainer out. I'm going to let this tighten up here, just like that. Bingo, we got it done. So this is looking pretty good. It's a black drawband, so it's nice matching. And there it goes. Let's check it out. Looks really good. This royal is pretty easy to do. That's a pretty quick drawband repair. Still got a few things to fix on this, including sticky keys right there. They're all jamming up. Most all of them are jamming, so I gotta. That jams. That one's pretty stiff. That don't feel right. Return arm is also messed up here. Doesn't want to return all the way. I think there might be a kink in this piece here. But drawband is done. Oh, the bell's pretty weak. Might have to work on the bell. That doesn't sound right. Not good enough. Video is done. 12 minutes. Drawband, mainspring repaired. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.